queen around here. What you say, Queenie? Queenie, what you say? Queenie, talk what you say. Talk what you say, man. Let me tell you something, Queen Lady Gangster. That big hole where you have belong to blood clot me. You could have fly high, you could have fly low. You understand? Because you well want me to touch up your glamity, Queenie. Because you down here, your pussy is miserable, no blood clot and broke, no bomber clot. Only me can satisfy you. RT cannot satisfy you. I want him to you, Queen Lady Gangster. I want him to you. You know, see me mad the two I know. I'm mad no blood clot and I wishing I'm sleep and wishing I'm dream so I could have come back in I'm blood clot ears. And I not even know about area love making. And I never remember say such a thing exists. And me bring back that bomber clot. I want him to you know. Eh? Right you know, she can't have a blood clot to get my kiss. After you can't get over my kiss, you have never experienced nothing like it. Nothing a bomber clot. I want to you know, man. Pussy all them things I'm going back at America, you know. Them swear, turn that down, Prince. Them swear some going back to America. They never know some could have there at the Hilton and still afford $600 hotel. What you say? Mari and an idiot. Mari knows so 1 o'clock here come troll me again. For come take over my eyes. So me I step out in a few minutes. You not throw me to that. Any of your blood clot throw me. Queenie, and you cause this fight, you know. Are your side dish. And him cause all of this because he want to eat me now because I give you a blood clot kiss. And your side dish will owe me $300. You say you're going to Riri account and get the money and give me. Pay up. Because you need the blood clot pay me up for the delicious kiss where you get the other day. Because at least my lips better than Dewey lips were always frothy. You know what the blood clot him do with him lips. And me keep Queenie happy. And me keep you Desi get my clothes ready. Make me step out on them bomber hole yeah. Queenie, make we go interview. And make me see if you step out hotter than me today. Let me see what you wear. Where is Queen Lady Gangster? Let me see what you're wearing today. Because you not pack nothing and come down in your suitcase from UK. Let me see your suitcase, Queenie, and let me see what is inside of it. And stop borrow RT dancer them clothes. Come on, Queenie, let's go to interview. Where is Queenie? I'm tired to see your RT boss. Because you want to take what I when I belong to you. Where is Queenie? Come let me go through your suitcase and pick out something for your darling and bring you to interview. Because Missy say you don't have no shoes. Come on, Queenie. But she buy the clothes bar on stage for £800. Where say you're going to Riri bank account? Oh, gosh. So I just say you have to hide money. I just say you have to hide the money where you bring down the weed for Nash. You know, say I know weed me meant for say. You bring it down for Nash in your pum-pum. Every trip you get pay feet. You cannot make trip for 100 UK, 100 UK for bring DRUG in your pum-pum back and forth from Jamaica. I want them to you, Queenie. Queenie, I want them to you. Queenie, me will make you scale the walls when me done with your pussy hole. Me will make you feel so supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I know say you go with bitches, but you will never experience nothing like this. But you have to pay me for that blood clot. You want a free interview? You want me hype at Jamaica? Look how long you done here. You couldn't gather the hype. You want me pick you up because you flop? Yeah, me pick you up in a Queenie. That stinking old RT, the girl around here. Yeah, look what you cause. Me come forth with unity and look what you cause. Look what you cause, RT. Me and this lady don't have nothing, you know, but because of you, me and her have a war again because of stinking mouth RT. But refuse to pay me my money. Pussy old swear to me there Jamaica, you know. And she swear to me there America. When I realized I'm still there, I nearly dropped down this morning. So my ear I grow back, and the same time my ear I grow back, my powers I grow back. The dirty slimy slum. Cheap, and line a bomber cloth. Mary, step out with a dolly baby figure, y'all. Yeah. When you see me, I come, them up here, back the fuck off. Them plan for me and every time them plan for me. But when they see me in a real person, they can't do me nothing. Because when them see me, them expect to see Amari a go on like she a come, but how can I put on my nice, decent clothes and act like me a fanatic? No. Mari, step out on them and kill them with love. I step out and I be like, Queenie! But just transform. Archie, I love you, see? No! Me now go dress up and go on like a dirty bungle. They want me to in my coat and my ears and everything, and police of Jamaica lock me up. I want to gossip. Nothing no gossip, bitch. I want me to come here again and dance for him this morning. Want free dance. Nothing no gossip, bitch. I step out like Dolly baby. I be like, hi Queenie, how are you? How are you doing, Queenie? Are you packed out and sucked out and locked out as yet? Artie tell me that you're leaving on Sunday. Oh, safe trip. Artie said, Amari, as soon as Queenie left, I and you spar. I don't know why I'm have to whisper that. Why you have to whisper that, Artie? Queenie, you see my skin nice and clean. You're not got mineral bath. Come let me bring you a mineral bath. Come let me take care of your Queenie, because your skin look rough. Come on, darling. Let me treat you. You think the RT have money? I saw the money there. I will treat you. I will wine you and dine you. You come down here, the same thing every day. Ghana tasty, Ghanaian party. Hell! If me, should I ever date she as a woman, should I never look back again. Should I never look back. But Queenie, you have to carry yourself better than that. Forget a girl like me. You have to come better than that. You have to stop sucking RT egg. Yes, bitch. Dolly baby figure. What you want me to say? Bang. Just back. Bang. Get them out of time. Come with the color. Bang. Just back. Bang. Get them out of time. Yeah, come with the color, Barty. Arch back and me be like, bang, dress back. Give me